What's up everyone? It's Bayou Films here with another car review, but this time it's on how to change out your start-stop button on a BMW. So we are going to start off with prying out the structure that holds the start button. It's a lot easier if you use two tools at the same time to pry it out. After removing the structure, you need to disconnect the cord attached to the back of it. There is a total of 6 fastener clips on the structure, but be careful not to put too much up force when releasing the clips because you need all of them to stay in place. After completing those steps, you should look at the back of the structure to see that there are 2 points you need to push together to release the start-stop button. Here is the new blue start button I will be installing to match my blue paddle shifters. You simply need to align the button so it is straight and apply slight pressure until it clicks in place. Now we need to put the back piece of the structure that we took apart earlier and snap them back in place. Next, plug the wire back into the structure and you should be able to hear this click. Finally, for the last step, you need to align the button up, put one side in first, and the structure should easily fall in place. Make sure to turn the car on to make sure things are functioning properly. But other than that, this concludes my video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.